Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Da ka jingtmu ban ai min sim ban pin kop bor hi samla jong ka jala bakin long ki batreshi tom bat ki ban kiu shaprang ha ka UPSC civil service exams kumju ban Pynurlong ka Jingangnud ka jongki ban shakri ya kari ka Industries and Trade Fair Association of Assam Northeast Region ha ka snisa jan kala Pynlong ya ka Meghalaya UPSC Vision Conclave 8,000 apunrio hanong ba Shillong ha ka baki samla puli bana ki school college ba pher ki lawan banishim benta Kentup ginong yalam, jongki kenhon seng bhalang. Ha kanekasi lawan banishim benta, ha ka jingethir yatai ka Dr. Mazel Amperin Lingdo ka MLA kanong aibud siya ka Sorkar Jilla Meghalaya, ka Kong Patricia Mukhim, Padma Shri Awardee ka Sonet Jose IAS Assistant Commissioner ka East Khasi Hills, u Lovish Gak IPS u Additional SP ka Traffic Shillong, u Samla Ruben A. Najjar u General Secretary ka Khasi Students Union, u PS Nongkanri u Rangba Shnong Kalat Umkhra Dorbar Shnong Pelun, u Sumit Moore, u Senior Mentor SPM IAS Academy, u Abhishek Lakkar, u Senior Mentor and Moderator SPM IAS Academy.
Ladies and gentlemen, as we felicitate him, a round of applause. May I now request Srimati Sonet Jose, IAS Assistant Commissioner East Khasi Hills, an accomplished civil servant with over 16 years of teaching and mentoring.
Or whether it would just be other stakeholders who constantly rally together with the trade fair organization in its effort to showcase some of the rarest products and producers of neighboring countries. And today they have embarked upon a very important journey. And that is to find out, to engage, to deliberate, and to discuss with stakeholders what is it that we need to do to ensure that the future of Meghalaya is secure in as far as the production of our own elite IAS, IPS officers who will handhold the affairs of governance and the state in the interest of the people of the state. Thank you so much, Rajiv and Rajesh Das, for this innovative innovation. Yes, the government of Meghalaya is equally concerned about the scarcity at which these officers clear the examination, especially citizens of the indigenous communities of the state of Meghalaya. This conclave, I believe, would initiate and deliberate on what is the way forward. What do we need to do? How can a trade fair organization also pitch in to ensure that we start finding out definitive paths to make sure that the numbers of our citizens being in the elite services of this nation also get equal opportunity. Government has tried its best. We have the Matti, which is one such institute, which is simultaneously handling not just the preparations of young citizens towards that goal, but is also conducting various trainings of officials at various levels to ensure that the elite forces in administration are inculcated and are made available for the state and the citizens of Meghalaya. I look forward to the Trade Fair Association announcing here today that they will sponsor at least 10 of our children to elite institutions where training can actually happen. I understand that it cannot be a one-way target. your MLA is available. Trade fair always comes to the elite city of Ladumkra. I call it a city because it's not just a town. And we are so grateful that every time the trade fair has been coming for the last 24 years, it does not only encourage and create opportunities of livelihood for the people, but it also open out various ideas to young entrepreneurs in the state of Meghalaya. I know for a fact that some of the products and producers in the trade fair have been imitated quite successfully by some of our entrepreneurs. They understand what world class is, what quality is, what are the various procedures to ensure that products produced by our entrepreneurs are adequately and eloquently presented in international and national markets. But today, this detouring from trade to CSR, social responsibility, is a very welcome step. And I believe that with the various elite NGOs of the state of Meghalaya, we may be able to go forward, we may be able to have a definitive plan. At this point of time in this inaugural message, my one-liner would be, I'm willing to participate, willing to handhold, willing to make sure that we do put in a concerted effort by ensuring that some of our students, some of our young citizens find a way in that very, very difficult and busy coaching market of Delhi. So we are well seized of this need for more Meghalayan to clear the UPSC examinations, for the simple reason is that we are a very ethnic community. We have very specific fears about our existence. So if you have officers at the cadre of the UPSC officials who are local, breaking down information and collaborating for welfare and progress of the people of the state becomes a much easier task to do. I think it's very, very clear because, for example, barriers of language, barriers of religion, barriers of culture all come into play when there are designs, policies, and plans of the government. I'm happy that the International Trade Fair Association has gone beyond their usual affairs of conduct of their engagements with the community and have today initiated a UPSC conclave where students themselves were participating, and as we saw in the question and answer round, which was open to the house, there were genuine questions asked, and I think from all of the questions that I heard, I have seen now that everybody is anxious to know how and what is the magic mantra for cracking a UPSC examination. And of course, the disadvantagedness of the students of the state of Meghalaya, the remoteness of our state, and the various procedures that are there for actual, invitations of institutions determine the very fact that we are not able to institute private institutions in the state of Meghalaya to help students prepare themselves for the UPSC examination.
Jingiamir kadang conclave pentasni kadang nakalian di Trade Fair Association ju don Pynurlong but kiusu ni wanra ya kan conclave kanang ba kanton kanukun kapan session ban perkat bakumnu bangin la ban kentiu yaki na puli bakin la ban long kita prepare yang lagi nam tak UPSC examination. Nilai akademik sani bah lor kei kalat kelenti kalat Jingirap pengalaman bu ki scholarship ki ba nakalian ka sarkar kalaban ai but kei nakalian ka seng ru ki ba kompetitif hi nakalian ka seng ke jupa kena pulih hadin dak ngila ada long ka entrance exam jupa iki ban kena pen kre LD pen tebet LD support dari kani kasing ke balai bagi min sapha yang ini hindiat sini dan katu kaningut nak nengi ke bala pas MCS hari ki senam ke bala dem dan tu ke bala pas ki examination ki paper jong ka state hendi hadu hot ni padyo ya tau so jong ka UPSC hendi nak nang tip ka UPSC ka dika examination ka ba bagi kerman bah kini sini panwan dan na pening itu kena bagi coaching sudahli bala pas ke prelims Kerman ni don tak kerman ba let's see pas ya kami su buat ka personal interview buat dah kalau kata hi kan long ka buram ya ta pri pakai Jingiamir gorok boy
kalau kamu guna ayan jumtoy ki semua kulit ay kanika conclave
kanika conclave minta kasing ka dita ka Jingmut ka Jingmut halor kumnu ka ikilat bingla banyarap ikna puli apa dengan UPSC namar kum bapite bi ngimi coaching center ki babiang ni ban pas civil service examination klaim kanu ko Jingirap klaim kanu coaching ka kalong ka ba sebab pala ngidon hani tangka mati ende ka mati ru ka sulong ba impat don ya kino hikai ki balalong ki balala ban hikai na ki subject ki ba pair haka cukup poru ka mati ka bun kam kiwi ban train ki officials ni ki officer sarkar jo kami karya te kamdi ngi kwa ya ka institution ka Pynlong no ka ba ai bana ai coaching bapura umdi tang habadi civil service examination ki bun ka kiwi ki central examination kum ka SSC ki bank la examination marba haniru ni ba ki kana kasi ki duna ha batam ki snam ki bala da ki batam nam ta ki SSC kam SSC ki dang duna ba ki dangi new kana kasi ni thari dantang kuma prapo shispa mun hapo shispa ende ki pus pa ki bala ki babun kan te bali ni sumba bali ki kena ki apply nomor ki yo ya kata ka propo coaching menta bani coaching shabar ka pisa ka tingka ki longi ki bawan na ki longi ki bodong kin kam jenja te takadang ni ko bangin serap ni ka coaching center ni na kalian ka seng bidang persyang ban la na kalian jingi bangin serap ka coaching center but ni keluar binyi terilang buat kini ki week coaching center baki banabat tak la ki one ban serap sini nomor ba kadu wahi kan di kecil mentua nam taki pardo personam jingi bila kilaban pas examination ki ba pair ki bari jongka sarkar play